Hi! Short video this week, part 1 of a 2-part process. The flowers are in bloom here and they've been bullying me. So the only logical thing to do was to pick some and dry them to show the others, who's the boss. I ended up buying a silica gel and container bundle on Amazon. Once that came in and I had flowers in hand, I started by putting a layer of the silica gel in the container. Organize the flowers and leaves so they're not cluttered together. And then afterwards, I covered everything with more silica gel. Left them in the silica for 2 days according to what I researched, then fished everything out. I did dry another batch, but I didn't cover them as much as the first one. That way it's easier for me to see where everything is. I do feel like I could have gotten away with letting them dry in the silica for a day since the flowers were so small and thin. I'll try that in the future since I've been scouting flowers I can pick around my neighborhood. But for now, that's it. This is my first time drying flowers, so if anyone has more experience, then please leave me some tips in the comments. Next week, I'll be casting them in resin, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.